Ugh, another day of fucking school. Can this get worse? That's so fucking fuckity fucking right now, stupid asshole. Get your fucking asshole to school right fuck no. Get to the bathroom and brush your teeth. Fuck you, Dad. Brush your teeth right fucking no. Now, come downstairs and eat your fucking breakfast. Yacht! Group of exclamation marks. Noom. Steve. Thoughts fucking newt. How the fuck you fucking eat, you fucking stupid idiot. Eat quickly, you stupid duck. All done. Finished my breakfast. Good. Now get the fuck out of here and don't come back until you finish school. Okay, Dad, I'm going to school right now. Please, don't be such a psychopath.
Okay, class, it's time for math.
Excuse me, Miss Emily. Can I please go use the bathroom?
Okay, Steve, you can go use the bathroom.
Thank you, sir. What's the fire alarm doing here? I wonder what the fuck will happen if I pull the fire alarm. Well, let's pull it. Oh, shit! I need to get the fuck out of here right fucking now.
Holy shit. Class, we are having a fire drill. Let's get the fuck out of the classroom and line up.
Oh crap. Yes, I am home. Now let's go inside. Hello, Dad, I'm home.
Hello, Steve. How was your... Wait a second. Steve, what the fuck are you doing at home so early? Aren't you supposed to be at school?
Well, Dad, the school day is dismissed, so we get to go home early.
Oh. Well, Steve, if the school day ended early, would you like to watch some TV with me?
Yes, Dad, I would like to watch TV.
Okay, firefighters. Who was the one who pulled the fire alarm?
Well, Principal Henry. It was Steve who pulled the school fire alarm for a prank. And also, he skipped school and went back home to ditch school.
Oh my god. I can't believe it was Steve who pulled the fucking fire alarm. He is so going to be expelled for this. I am going to give his parents to call right now. Ah shit, here we go again with my phone. Hello, who is this? Hello, is Principal Henry speaking, and I want to tell you that Steve pulled the fire alarm as a prank. What? Yes, he pulled the fire alarm, and that was not funny. For this, he expelled forever, so... Goodbye! Oh. My. Gosh.
Oh, fuck. I am so dead.
Am I right, you stupid psychopath?
Wait, my gosh, oh my god, dare you to go jump off a bridge, you bastard idiot. We are stupid idiots, hot and blast idiots, jerky poopy, shitty booty, go such a bastard head, suck my dick, jerky poopy, shy jackass, bastard head idiot. Steve, can't believe you pulled the school fire alarm, skipped school, came back home early, get expelled forever, and make me furious. They said you are so grounded for 525,295, 29,529, 95,500, 2,952, 59,535, 9395, 2953, 9525, 9593, 953, 961,508, 9,191, 919,191, 919,191, 919,191,
919,191, 919,191, 919,191,516, 919,191, 919,191, 9,191, 919,191, 919,191, 919 million. The revers go to your room right now. Now you stupid cocksucker.